Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, I know it's quite a bit of boring price action we witness at the moment, but to be honest, that is exactly what we want. We don't want a fast and rapid price decrease here on the Ethereum chart. We actually want it to be a little bit choppy. We want it to be a little bit slow. Yeah, so from that point of view, it's all okay. It's all going well. And we don't want it to go down too rapidly. So I still see the move down here, which started here on the 14th of July as an ABC structure with the C wave being an ending diagonal, and the C wave could be unfolding right now. We've got this as an A wave, we've got this as a B wave, and the C wave might be unfolding now in a 5-wave move. In the meantime, with the latest price action here and with wave C being a diagonal, I think it is reasonable to move the wave 1 actually down here, because then we have a very clear 3-wave move in wave 1. That's just how it is in an ending diagonal. We have a wave 2 as a 3-wave move. We have the wave 3 as a likely 3-wave move unfolding right now. A wave, B wave, which might have topped, and the C wave down. Then the wave 4 would be a 3-wave move, and the wave 5 likely as well. So I still expect at least one more low, maybe 2 more lows here into the region between 1830, which is the 50% retracement, and 1781, which is the golden ratio. If we drop below that, then $1,700 will be next support. But ideally it will wrap it all up somewhere in this region here between 1828 and 1781. And again, it is very much welcomed that we have very boring and choppy price action, because it means that, it's coming down slowly. It's not impulsive on the way down, because if it was impulsive, it could also be rather an actual impulse to the downside, which would potentially break our support levels. I mean, that can still happen, but at the moment, everything goes pretty much according to script, as you will know if you've been following me for the last few weeks and months. We've been very, very much patient with this move to the upside. First of all, we've been very patient with the move to the downside, which landed exactly in our trend reversal area. Then we rallied, reached target here to the upside, actually did overshoot it, I think, a little bit. And then we were waiting for a dip into the yellow support area. But the thing is, if this really is a wave 2, which is coming down here, while we have reached the support area and trend reversal area, it would still be preferred for it to go a little lower. I mean, as I often say, in a wave 2 correction, which this would be, I really would like to see price get at least to the 50% retracement at 1828. The way this looks, it should go a little lower. And if we now zoom into the detail here, I mean, if we say, okay, look, what would be a target for the third wave? Best way to determine that, if we are in a diagonal, is to take the length of the A wave and to compare it with the length of the C wave. It's not super reliable, but certainly a level to watch. We take the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, and then we're talking about 1816 as a very likely target, a 100% extension, 1816, which would be a key target here for the third wave. Then we would get a 4 and a 5, and ideally somewhere here we should wrap it all up. I mean, ideally around here, somewhere between 1828 and 1781. That would be preferred. Again, I cannot rule out that it will go a little lower, because in this wave 2, it can max out the entire yellow box. It just currently doesn't entirely look like it. It just doesn't look like as if ETH was going to max out the yellow box, but it can do. So what we're doing is we're watching these relevant support areas, and as soon as we see a reaction, we will be very much, or at least whenever we come into these price ranges, we are going to be very, very much focused. We are going to be focused on potential reversal patterns here, yeah, which would be a 5-wave move on a smaller time frame to the upside and a 3-wave pullback. So we're very much bullish on Ethereum and also Bitcoin. It's just that in the short term, we still have this correction to finish. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.